Hi there, welcome to the Ripple Wyckoff Wild Speculation Weekly. We're looking at the weekly chart of Ripple with all these blue and orange tags of Wyckoff method stages. So, earlier sessions for Ripple, I've drawn this downward wedge. Basically, it's a bullish sign in terms of candlesticks pattern study, and indeed the price has gone up a bit, not too much compared to last week close. However, it's still lower than the wick, so it's like a mini bull or tiny bull coming out of this downward wedge pattern. One important thing is we have to see whether the price is going to close below this purple line. This purple line is basically the support line, or if it closed below the purple, the resistance line defined by the automatic reaction right after the buying climax. So currently, given there's still a day and an hour left, it'll be interesting to see where does this weekly candle close. If it closed below the purple, like I said in a couple of weeks back, probably, if the price is lower than the purple line, it's going to be some crazy rides, similar to what we have seen last week and also the week of late March. Reason being, given this massive green candle over here, there wasn't much overlapping trading activities similar to what we have seen in these areas. So there's no strong support in this range. So you can immediately tell at the level of the purple, that's around $2.10 maybe. And then the blue line over here is $1.40 roughly. So it's basically about 30%. If I were to draw a line here, yeah, that's roughly 30% between these two lines, a 30% drop, basically. That's for the macro, and I can take out these yellow lines given the wedge has been completed, or the price has broken outside of the wedge already. Let me change to the line chart. That's not much other than the wedge I mentioned. We'll see when this further develops. If we go to the daily chart, the price is still within this downward trading zone. Let me turn this to a darker blue. The thing here is the price is still trying to stay above this pink line as of this moment. This is the trading range or the playground zone defined since December last year, and as of now we are trying to follow whether the price will come further down and test the support of this blue box somewhere around $1.60, depending on when it's going to hit the bottom of this box. So as it gets closer and closer to this triangle formed by the blue box and the pink box, is getting nearer and nearer for that to happen. So there's not much time left before we can see whether it's going to break out to the upside or a breakout to the downside. Given it has tested this support earlier this month, and given the macro development based on the Wyckoff distribution cycle, it seems that it's more inclined to test the bottom of the blue box. So let's see whether that's the case. That's